Hey guys, recently I was sent some ChatGPT questions to ask a YouTuber, and it was for my different channel. But I these are pretty general ChatGPT questions because that AI is not that really I. It's more of an A, so these are some sort of a generic questions, but still interesting. I thought I'm just gonna give it a shot and answer them. So, what were your main motives for starting your channel? And my main motives for starting a channel, I started my channel way back in the day, and I was watching Cutlery Lover, nothing fancy, EDC stuff, gear, knife reviews, gears, EDC videos, and I just felt the need after watching so many Cutlery Lover videos. By the way, check out Cutlery Lover. I can watch his videos. I've been watching him for years, and I can always watch Cutlery Lover video. Whatever he puts out, I can watch, and I can be entertained, just like the guy. Uh, I just felt the need to share and to have my own EDC video. So I started in the EDC gear community, and first couple of videos were about that. Then my watch love for watches prevailed, and haven't had a Walmart, and in our versions in Europe, Walmart, you cannot go buy guns and gear and DC stuff and knives and whatnot. Just doesn't happen. So I haven't had any things to review. So I turned to watches, and I love watches. They were my main love. Then I saw this guy. He did a top 10 luxury watches in the world, and he put a list of watches which he basically owns. So number 3 was Cartier Panthère and whatnot. And I felt the need. I was really provoked to leave a comment, and I say Cartier does not belong in the Holy Trinity. No way. Holy Trinity is APPPVC, and yeah, he never responded to that nor any other comment in his life, I think, to the day. And the YouTuber was Archie Luxury. He had like 1,500 subscribers, and I had like 15. And I just unsubscribed to him. I don't know why. Then, back in the day, it was early days of YouTube. Back in the day, there were no watch content except for Archie. You go to forums, and I decided to film some watches and show some watches. Of course, I was a bit boring. I had a shitty camera. I had I had no money. But I had some not popular watches. I had some crazy obscure vintage watches that I picked up on the flea market. I bought and sold and traded my way up. And yeah, in the process of all that, I later on upgraded my camera. I saved some money up. I was a student. I was a college student, so I had no money to buy a camera. And basically, HD video was 720 pixels, and I bought the camera. It was really expensive, and it was 720. It was not even 1080p. So yeah, but in the whole process of that, I learned a lot. I made some great friends, mostly through EDC community, through the gear community. Back in the day, in the watch community, there was a lot of backstabbing, hate, and whatnot. I can give you a whole story about that if you want later, but not in this video. And I learned that I really enjoy talking to the camera, and I call that talking to you guys. But reality is, there's a white wall behind me and camera in front of me, and I enjoy talking, and I've been talking ever since. there was a time when my channel really started off. I was getting a lot of engagement, talking, and people. And something happened with the YouTube algorithms. I know for a fact that my videos do not get recommended, and people who are watching me leaving comments go and literally do a search on me. And yeah, but it is what it is. I still enjoy talking to you guys. I still enjoy making friends. And later on, I make some friends in Watch community, and I'm really proud of that. And that's the best thing I ever got out of my channel and here. And year ago, I moved to Slovenia all alone, and I was really depressed and down in dumps. I was separated from my family because of the work. I moved, and talking to you guys in the camera really helped me to go and work through all of that. And talking to someone, even if it's just strangers on the internet, helps. So if you are in a trouble, just talking to someone can really help you too. And not to mention all the great advices and the support, and Neo sent me donations and whatnot. Just really top block. Number 2 question, how do you choose the watches you're gonna do a review? I don't choose a watch I'm gonna do a review about. I don't have that luxury. I just buy and trade and sell a lot of watches. I was back in home, I was a mini watch dealer, so I sold and bought a ton of watches, and some of those watches, not all of them, maybe 50 or 60, 70%, I filmed. And I did a quick review before, in and out. This was this middle, but I decided I'm gonna keep it. I'm always on the lookout to buy, especially if it's a good deal. I will buy everything, not just watches. I will buy anything. It's just that Gary Vee philosophy. I will buy anything and everything if it's a good money, if it's a good price, and later on I will list it on eBay or Craigslist or whatever. We have different names, but I'm just adapting that. What are the most important things that you would pay attention while choosing a new watch? Just do your homework and make sure that you like the watch. Make sure that you like the watch, and not that some random strangers on the internet will give you kudos. If you like a nice dress watch with Roman numerals, buy it, the damn thing. Just buy it, because nobody likes this watch. Everyone wants latest and greatest dive watch with the latest and greatest dive watch with the ceramic sapphire crystal thick and whatnot. Nobody really likes a thin elegant dress watch that really is. Check how thin this is. It has a ET2892, so it's extra thin. Nobody cares about that. Just want to be the latest, coolest, trendiest watch, and that's it. So listen to yourself more, be more individual, and yeah, have a different collection other than every other YouTuber or watch guy on the forums have, which is basically 15 dive watches. Okay, I'm gonna just end it here, and I'm gonna move these questions to the next video. So sorry guys, but I'm gonna make another video. I have 10 more questions, but I have to run and grab something important. So see you guys.